Question number 1 was related to heat capacity. Now this question is related to specific heat capacity. And specific heat capacity is energy required to raise the temperature of 1 kg of substance by 1 degree Celsius. So the question given to us is how much heat is required to raise the temperature of 2 kg sample of water by 5 degrees Celsius, given that the heat capacity of water is 4184 joule per kg degree Celsius. So let's solve this question, and the formula of specific heat capacity, we know S is equal to delta Q by M delta T, or we can write delta Q is equal to ms delta T. Here M is mass, S specific heat capacity, and delta T is change in temperature. So let's substitute the values. Delta Q we have to find as given in the question how much heat is required. So delta Q we need to find, and mass is given to us. Mass is 2 kg. So here we will write 2 into specific heat capacity, which is given to us 4184 joule per kg degree Celsius, into change in temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. So if we will multiply this, we will get, and I want to do the simple calculation. So if we multiply 2 and 5, we will get 10. 10 into 4184, and if we will multiply this, we will get 4000, not 4000, 41,840 joule. So this is the energy required to raise the temperature of 2 kg of mass, and the mass here is water by 5 degrees Celsius. So delta Q is equal to 41,840 joule. In next video, we will solve one more question related to the similar topic. See you in the next video.